Hi there, students. Edifice. So edifice is a noun. I think it can probably be countable and uncountable. So the first basic meaning of an edifice is a large building, particularly a spectacular one, something that's imposing. So, for example, the Shard in London is an edifice. So is St Pancras Station, the Lloyd's Building, and St Paul's Cathedral. So these are large, impressive, imposing buildings. As time goes by, I'm sure we will see new edifices built in the city. Now, we also use edifice figuratively. This talks about a large abstract structure. So Darwin provided the foundation to the edifice of evolutionary theory. The school of thought, the way of thinking, the theory, the way something is structured. The political edifice of democracy has good and bad features. System, school of thought. The edifice of our justice system is very slow to act. The edifice of the banking system was called into question, and then we had a crisis. The edifice of the Einsteinian universe superseded the edifice of the Newtonian universe. I think many people believe that the edifice of science will resolve our problems of global warming. I think they're a bit optimistic. Let's see, religions have edifices that are both tangible and intangible. So a religion has edifices, buildings, and then it has dogma, theories, beliefs, and that's the intangible edifice. Okay? So an edifice is either a great big impressive building, or it's an elaborate conceptual structure, a school of thought, a way of thinking, a set of things put on one on top of the other. Yeah. For example, when you think about Aristotle, or you think about psychology, or philosophy, that was the word I was looking for. You can start with one premise and build a whole edifice on top of that premise, assuming it's true. Okay, so the next question, what about formality? I think as a building, I would probably give it a 6.5 in formality. You could probably use a large building, a skyscraper, something like that. I think as a conceptual idea or an intangible concept, I think I'd probably give it 7 or 7.5. This is a bit more philosophical, a little bit more literary. Maybe you could say school of thought or ideas or something like that. And then as to origin, well, there's an old French word edifice, meaning a building, and that itself comes from Latin edificium, a building. Okay? I guess the English grammar is one enormous edifice. So, if you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Edifice.